What's going on? Welcome back to Alvarez Performance and happy 8-6 day. Today it's a little different. We got some more stuff here that we're working on. We got SR5 to GTS swap that I already basically completed. It's just working on the tweaks right now and little wiring to wire up the coil the proper way as the plugs didn't match, and fully redo this car. This car is going to be completely freshened up. Suspension, bearings, engine is being rebuilt, everything you can think of. First things first, we got to drain all the fluids, engine, trans, diff, everything. We're going to pull this motor. I already had done a couple things, but I didn't get to show you the whole beginning. But the grill's already out, wheels off, brakes off, and all that stuff, because everything on this car is getting redone, and you'll see by the end of this. But for now, let's get the motor and trans out of here. All right, so we're gonna start off by dropping the drive shaft and dropping the trans. All right, now the drive shaft is off, but I need to come up here, make sure I get the shifter out and get that situated so that way we drop the trans out. All right, well, here we are. Magic trick, it's all gone. All right, now the trans is out and it's filthy. So first things first, clean it up. Get it prepped to sit on the sideline. All right, now header's off. You know, other things that were connected that shouldn't be are now taken off. It's time to set this up. Took the strut bar off so that way I can get clearance. Let's get this out. We got her strapped up. All right, engine is out. Get a hideous blue, the 7 rib, this VIN plate. We'll see how original this car and engine is. Now to get it on the stand, I'm gonna need to remove the clutch and the flywheel, or else it's not gonna go on. So let's get that. All right, I took the clutch and the flywheel off, and now I got it on the engine stand. So next part of the video is going to be engine teardown. To be continued. As always, thank you for supporting me. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.